Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil. A video you all have been waiting for, a tour of the office. Follow me. What's up everybody? So this is a long waiting video. Everybody's been asking me for this. So I'm gonna start off with, first of all, this is an extra bedroom in my house. So I made it a personal studio space for myself. Let's start off with the gear cage. Everybody always asks me about the gear cage, and let's check it out. Follow me. Alright, so first and foremost, I got these bad boys from Harbor Freight. These drawers from Harbor Freight. They've been super helpful. I blacked out the entire closet. This had closet doors and everything, and this is where I store all of my gear. So I got my cameras, I got my lenses, I got a little charging station over here, I got my PlayStation controllers, I got everything that I need from head to toe to make things happen. So this has been really the best thing I've done in this office space when it comes to actual usage, because I use these bad boys a lot. I also got another one over here because, as you all know, the video gear, you need a lot more shit than usual with video other than photos. So I did pick this one up less than a year ago for some video stuff that I am now more and more creating. So before we move on, everybody always asks me, you know, what lights I use to light up the space. So I use the Godox, the VL150. I have two of them in the office, and I use this so I can control the light. As you can see, all the windows are basically shut down and usually blacked out because I like to control the light in here and the environment, and it's super helpful to stay consistent with the lighting in this. So before we move on, I want to give a special shout out to my wife, who is holding the gimbal right now and the camera. First time doing it. I think she's absolutely killing it, so I appreciate you. Come on down here and follow me. So I do have, like I said, another Godox light over here. This is another set of storage basically when it comes to gear and other products. I tend to only keep in this thing like memory cards, hard drives, so on and so forth. So I have everything here accessible. Anything that's archived, I can get it out of the hard drives. Everything's nice and labeled and there. From here, moving up top, as you can see, I like certain things, so I like collecting certain things. So I'm a Jeep fanboy, if you guys didn't know. Kratos is one of my favorite characters in any video game, and Kobe is the man since I was like 18. So I've been a Laker fan since then. So you know, I got him up on my wall as well over here. I don't want to forget the books that I read up here. Some of the books are, you know, you may not know them, you may know them, you know, like Crush It by Gary Vee. There's 10X Rule by Grant Cardone, and those are the type of books I like just to stay motivated and stay creating. So another part of my office that I have been sort of trying to build up for a while now. Now I've been collecting sneakers since shit, I can't even tell you when, but I have, you know, now that I have my own space, I decided to keep some of my favorites in my own space behind me in my office, around the desk. Why? I can't really answer that question for you. I just really like having the sneakers in the office and showcased in the boxes. As you can see, I'm a big fan of Nike. I don't really rock any other brand. You know, I got some Jordan 1s. I also got some Metcons, you know, some training kicks. So I'm not necessarily tied to a specific, oh, is it a basketball sneaker? Is it a trainer? Is it Nike SB or whatever? Honestly, if it has that check mark on it, I basically will rock it. So to answer the question that I've gotten in my comments a shit ton is, what is my favorite sneaker? I will show you my favorite sneaker. My favorite sneaker of all time is the Jordan 13 Breads. I've picked up in every single year it's been released. And my wife didn't know it, but she knows it now, that I probably have like 3 pairs of the same sneaker. I do have some collectible sneakers here. I have some of the Kobe's during his last game. I Nike ID these bad boys. I also have, you know, some Amaris up here, Knicks colors. I'm a Jersey boy, so you know I will root for the Knicks when they're not playing the Lakers. So that's something I do. I also here, this was actually gifted to me from an awesome artist. The Cause cereal boxes I'm a big fan of the Cause dolls and the Cause art in general, and somebody gifted this to me, which was absolutely awesome. And then, you know, you can't forget about the little Jordan 1 paintings up top. And also over here I have some collectibles of Kobe. My wife and some friends got this for me after his passing. Alright guys, so everybody always asks about the desk, my desk setup, which I will do another video, not now but later on, about a little bit more in-depth conversation of what type of gear I'm actually using on the desk. So, you know, everything from my MacBook to monitors, and I'll have a list of everything here. Now it's just sort of a general overview of what I have going on here. I'm going to start off with the desk. The desk itself is actually custom made by my boy, Maker's Best Friend. I will add his YouTube as well as his Instagram to the bottom of this video. But he's an excellent wood worker out of New Jersey. He's a close friend of mine, been close friends for mad long, and he made this desk after I shot his wedding. So the desk is completely custom made. It is a sit and stand desk, so it does go up and down, and you know, it's very versatile in my day. So that way I get tired, I want to sit down, I sit down. If I don't get tired, I'm usually standing up most of the time. So let's start off with what I have here. I obviously have a PlayStation connected to this left side of the monitor. I got the PlayStation 5 connected to this monitor specifically. And this monitor specifically, I have my MacBook M1 Max connected to these 2 Predator monitors. I'm not going to say the greatest monitors, but I do like the aspect of being visually able to see everything, especially when I connect both monitors to the MacBook. I'm able to edit both photo and video simultaneously, which is fantastic across the board. I also have here some other peripherals, the Keycharon keyboard, the Logitech. I think this is a Logitech MX Master 3, which has been excellent. And actually, this mouse made me sell my Wacom tablet. Love this mouse to death. But I'm not going to list all the peripherals here. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I have going on the desk. And the chair of my choice, I'll be honest with you, it's sort of a no-name brand from Wayfair, and I purchased it probably about 2 years ago. So far, so good. It's been good for my back. But obviously I have the Just Create sign up top, as I like to say in every aspect of my videos. And you know, the Peter McKinnon picture up there, where you know, he's one of my favorite photographers and creators. So as he says, I'm a photographer first, video and all that other jazz comes after. Alright guys, so that was the office tour. I hope I answered a lot of questions for you. I'm gonna have a lot of this stuff posted in my comments below, so go ahead. They're all affiliate links. Obviously, you guys know I get a kickback if there's affiliate links down below. No one has sponsored this video. I have literally built this out by myself with the wife's, you know, precision intact, like the stuff behind the Just Create sign and stuff like that she did for me, because I don't have the OCD that she does, so it is all good. But other than that, guys, do what you do. Like, share, subscribe. to this video. I appreciate all y'all very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!